Hey everybody, Heather Campbell here for Avriel, and I thought it'd be fun to share a video for how I created this custom background for my focal images, which are the Peekaboo Pals monster set and then also the Peekaboo car. So what I went ahead and did is I'm using two pieces of masking tape. Now I'm using the Eclipse, but there are a lot of brands out there that you could use. And also you could even use Post-it notes or even printer paper with some removable adhesive. So as you can see, I am just creating a little V where I'm going to add my distress ink or my distress oxide. I'm using a little bit of a rainbow pattern here, but I'm just using my V and I'm moving it all the way across my card front, keeping roughly the same dimensions to that ray so that burst of color is coming out from behind my focal point. But this is a really fun technique and a great way to create basically what would look like a pattern paper look to your card, but have it be exactly perfect to your card front. So you can have it coming out from behind or from the side. It's just a really great way to do it. And then when I'm all done, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it with my Avriel shimmer spray. I love this stuff and I love how it reacts with the distress inks. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.